Good morning, guys. Just about 5 a.m. and we've got the P7000 fired up, and we are working with some custom graphics for some clients, but we've got a really interesting email last night, one of many that we've been receiving lately, and that is from a past client who's tried our HD chrome vinyl, and he could not believe the effect that he was able to produce with not spending $30,000, $40,000 on special equipment. And again, we're getting more and more comments like this, and I'm going to actually cut into the email over here so you can actually see what he wrote. And it's really interesting to hear things like this because, again, looking at what's available in the industry, and it's been there for years, and then taking it to a whole new level, that's what we're aiming to do. I want products that I know I use myself, and I also want stuff that I know will offer you guys the most options for end return. I mean, I can't emphasize that enough. You can see right now we're doing some honey bunny nose art. Then we're going to come over and knock out some other custom nose art on this sheet. And this is our inkjet glossy vinyl, and again, we will laminate this with our 3M 8518, and many of you already have contacted us about the 3M 8518's cost going up by roll, and you guys are absolutely right. 3M has raised the price on that product so much, and it's still the best laminate we've found, and we don't cut corners. We still use the best. Really, our graphic prices haven't gone up. We've had some clients ask about that. We haven't seen that too much, and if we do go up, it's going to be very, very minimal. But overall, we still want to offer the best products, and we feel that 3M, in conjunction with their inkjet printable vinyls, are the best. It's going to give you the best finish. And again, we can see exactly what we've got coming out here. Got about, half a sheet or so to go. This is a 15 by 25 inch sheet. We find that these are probably the best profit size sheets that we use currently. I get asked a lot about that. But again, guys, I cannot emphasize that if you're looking to start a business and you're looking to do something simple, I cannot emphasize that this is probably going to be one of the easiest to conform business models to your daily life, especially someone trying to work their way out of that typical 9 to 5, or at least give yourself a side gig of a separate stream of income. Again, it's really imperative that you understand, realistically, I don't know of any business model where you can buy a simple substrate where most of us already have access to an inkjet printer of some sort and see what effect you get. I mean, just test it out. We have everything from, wives that are, stay-at-home moms and are dealing scrapbooking, dealing with different types of projects where they become so just amazed at the fact that the vinyl is not what they were expecting in terms of them using, typical brands that are offered, Cricut and so on and so forth, from the hobby stores, and then they're amazed when they use a professional product. It's totally different. The imaging is different. You'll see that now as it's coming out. And again, I did remaster her for the Honey Bunny. And this is actual aircraft nose art right off the actual plane. You can see them coming out. I got my Hit 'em Where It Hurts, and that's a real interesting one with Hitler getting actually bombarded in his butt. And we get a lot of comments on this, and we also get a lot of sales on this one particular nose art. But I can't emphasize enough, guys. Really look at the investment you're making in terms of where you're going to spend. Right now, what do we sell our sample packs for? Okay, for the HD metal it's $14, and then our inkjet glossy, what are we looking at?
Others about that.
About that, so it's about $13, $14. I don't know any business model you're going to start with a $13 to $14 investment just to see the result you get and come up with different product ideas. I mean, most people literally within going to Starbucks twice a week will spend that. So I mean, just to test it, come up with some ideas, it really, I mean, I just can't see starting a separate stream of income for such a small amount of money, just in the simple fact of you testing and seeing what you can come up with. And I'm just panning around the camera now because, again, we get a lot of comments on what or how actual glossy vinyl is, and you can see that reflection. And this, of course, is coming straight out of the printer. We have no over laminate on this yet. And you can see exactly how that ink is laid down. Come over to a different angle. Once again, that's the P7000. We're using the Epson Ultra Chrome HDX inks. Amazing. So again, guys, I want to keep the video short. Rest assured, what you're seeing here will be produced. Right now, the sheet's almost all the way through. And in just about 6 minutes, this one sheet of vinyl will literally be producing about $70 to $80 in graphics, just depending on what price point we want to go with. So we do appreciate all your support. Keep the questions coming, and we look forward to supporting you. Thank you again. Take care.